Hello Foodies, today I'm going to share how to make a delicious Mandi chicken recipe in a simple process. Let's start the procedure. Firstly, collect all the slices to make a fine powder of the Mandi. All the ingredients are clearly mentioned on the screen according to the measurement. Hope you don't skip. This Mandi powder really brings out a delicious taste to the recipe. Take all the slices in a pan, make a dry roast in a low flame around 4 to 5 minutes till it reaches to the aroma flavor. Here after dry roast, take in a plate, let it get cooled down for a few minutes and then transfer into a blender to make a fine powder. Here Mandi powder is ready, take 2 tablespoons aside for the next step. Transfer the remaining powder in a plate to make a masala powder by adding 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of red chilli powder, salt to taste, 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 squeezed lemon and 2 tablespoons of saffron water. These saffron petals I have soaked in the water just before 10 minutes of starting the recipe. Mix all the ingredients gently. Meanwhile, take the joint leg pieces of the chicken which is being cut at the top of the piece so that it helps to coat the masala completely, and rub this masala paste evenly on both the sides of the joints so that it gets coated well. Here after marination, place in refrigerator around 3 to 4 hours. If not, you can place in room temperature at least for half an hour. Here after 4 hours, take a pan and add 2 glasses of water and allow this marinated chicken to get steamed under the water for 25 minutes. Let it get steamed in the high flame for 10 minutes and in the low flame around 10 to 15 minutes so that the pieces get cooked well. Here after steaming, place this masala water aside to use in next step. Next step, take a pan and add 2 tablespoons of ghee and add the choice of your dry fruits. I have taken cashew nuts, almonds and kishmish. Fry in a low flame around 4 to 5 minutes. Place these dry fruits aside to garnish at the end of the recipe. In the same pan, fry the steamed pieces for 15 to 20 minutes from medium to low flame. Meanwhile, grease the oil at the top of the pieces so that it gets fried well. Here for perfect combination in the Mandi, let's prepare a Mandi chutney with the simple ingredients. Take 2 chopped onions, tomatoes, green chilies and few mint leaves and coriander leaves, a pinch of tamarind and salt to taste. While blending, use a little water, if not you can skip. Finally, give a small tadka. Here Mandi chutney is ready, which is perfect combination. A thick pan and add 5 to 6 tablespoons of cooking oil. If not, you can use ghee and add the slices which is mentioned on the screen. Let it get crackle and add 2 chopped onions and fry till it reaches golden brown color. Meanwhile, add 2 tablespoons of garlic ginger paste and 1 tablespoon of Mandi masala paste. Fry till it reaches to the brown color. Add previously prepared Mandi masala powder which is 2 tablespoons. Here continue to add 3 to 4 green chilies and half cup of tomato paste. Fry 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame so that the tomato paste cook well. Here I am adding 2 glasses of steamed masala water and 2.5 glasses of drinking water for 3 glasses of basmati rice. And here I am adding fried kismis and saffron water for color. If not, you can skip. It is completely optional. Add required amount of salt to taste. Here bring the water to get boiled and add 1 hour soaked basmati rice which is 3 glasses. Mix well and add required amount of salt to balance the taste. Cover with the plate and cook for 10 minutes in a medium flame. After 10 minutes, mix gently and balance the rice and water and place the chicken fried pieces at the top of the rice. Allow it to keep in a low flame so that it gets steamed well. Here finally garnish with the dry fruits and place a coal at the center and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Immediately cover with the plate to get dum for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, it seems like it was well cooked, looking tempting. Finally, it's ready to serve evenly on a plate by decorating with a joint fried pieces, boiled eggs, garnishing with a few dry fruits. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy recipes.